Mommy, I hate one of my classmates,
Who's that?
Emily.
And why you hate her?
She's like, where's my money? Then I'm acting like I have her money. Three people acting like they had her money. First, Christian said that she had it, but then he said she didn't. Then Teresa said, but I was still, maybe that was me. And she cried was so much. She just took her porch, hit me on at the side of my head.
She hit you with her pouch?
Yes, there were coins in it, plus it hurt.
Oh my god. Did you tell your miss?
Miss saw.
Miss saw it?
Mhm.
And?
And then I said I was joking. She tried to tell Miss. Miss told her that she tried to tell her.
Oh. That's why you hate her?
Yes,
Okay, but girls are pretty.
Mommy,
Mm.
she could have hit my eye.
She could have hit your eye.
Yes, that's what Miss said.
Oh,
Cause it was here, Mommy. It could have hit my eye.
right. She should have been more careful, right?
Sure, she could have be. Stop talking about death, die.
Mm.
Plus, when we were trying to write something on a piece of paper, this is all. Anna just wrote death. She keeps on talking about death and stuff.
Don't pay her no mind, okay?
Mommy, how will I pay her no mind? She's beside me.
She's beside you.
Yes.
But Jonah, school soon finish. Just 5 more days.
5 more days for us.
How many days for you?
Mommy, on 3rd of July is opening day.
Yeah.
And you have to come on 4 o'clock. And it starts at 4 o'clock.
Okay. But otherwise, you enjoy your day in school, right?
Mm-hmm.
And you enjoy your football?
Yep.
Okay.
One match I lost and one match I won.
Oh, so you won one match and you won, or you lose one?
Yep.
Okay.